Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a review of the 4K camera from TEC.BEAN. What kind of video quality do you expect that comes from a 4K camera that costs $60? And I will show you guys some sample videos that was taken with this camera later. But first, let's talk about the build quality. And this camera is made of plastic material with some texture on it to make it more grippy. And on top of the camera is an OK button, and next to that is an LED button. And this OK button is where you press to record your video and taking picture and control your menu. And the LED indicator is for the Wi-Fi, the internal built-in Wi-Fi of this camera. It will light up whenever the Wi-Fi is on. And at the front of the camera is a power button, and it is the same button that you will use to switch between different modes of the camera, taking picture, viewing photos, taking photos and slow motion, and go to the menu. The camera is 16 megapixel with Sony sensor that can record in 4K 30 fps and 1080p 60 and 30 fps, 720p in 90 fps, which you can slow down to make a slow motion video. And on one side of the camera you have a speaker, two up and down buttons, and these two buttons are used for controlling the menu. And the speaker, the volume of the speaker is pretty okay, but when you are viewing some video clips on the camera you will not hear anything. Maybe it's because of the bad internal microphone. And speaking of microphone, this camera does have internal built-in microphone, but it's pretty bad. Maybe it's because it doesn't have any microphone hole, so when you're recording video, the sounds from the video, it sounds like there was something covering up the microphone, because it doesn't have any microphone hole on the camera at all. On the other side of the camera you have micro HDMI, micro USB, and a SD card slot. And at the bottom of the camera you have the battery housing. The battery is 900 milliamp. This camera does come with two batteries, so that is good. This camera also comes with tons of accessory, and for sure that those accessories are way more than what you need. And here's a list of the accessories that comes with the camera. You can pause the video and read it by yourself. One of the things that I don't like about this camera is the battery cover. It's easy to lose, and it will be losing up over time. So at the back of the camera you have 2-inch display. It is 1080p, or at least that's what they say, but it does look sharp. However, the view angle is not great at all, and the brightness is low. It is a bit difficult to read the display under direct sunlight, so just keep that in mind. So what else? I think that's it for the design of the camera. And now let's talk about the video quality. This camera can record up to 4K 30 fps. So to test the camera out, I went outside and record in 4K 30 fps and 1080p 60 and 30 fps to compare. After watching the 4K footage, my first impression wasn't so good, because the 4K footage looks just horrible. It looks like a 1080p footage, but you turn on the sharpness in Photoshop and Adobe Premiere, just lie on the sharpness of the video, so the video looks over sharpened and oversaturated. In some situations the video looks overexposed. And there's one weird thing about this camera. When recording video and taking picture, it has some weird artifact in the photos and video. So you will see the artifact if you pay attention to the top right corner of the video and photos. It usually happens when I'm recording the sky and taking picture of the sky.
thử camera để làm video mà.
So video in 1080p it does look great, but still there's still some like artifact and oversaturation. And now is the picture quality. This camera does take good pictures. Nice blue sky, nice green of the tree and grass. But still, it oversaturated and overexposed in some situation. Some people like that, some people don't. So it's just my opinion. And it has some difficulty when focusing close subject, such as this flower.
Cưa gỗ làm gì vậy? Cưa ra dục, cưa làm gì không? Để đây thảo dục.
As you can see in the video, my dad is using an electric saw. It is very loud, but the sound that the camera record, it is low. So the microphone in this camera is not great at all. The microphone even worse when you put the camera in the waterproof case. Here's a list of what I don't like about this camera. A 4K footage that looks like 1080p. Artifact in the video and photos. A dim display. A bad microphone and a bad speaker. And a flimsy cap battery cover. And one more thing, it is very hard to put the SD card in and take the SD card out because you have to push deep inside with your nail to put the SD card in. And that's it for this video. And if you like this video, please click like, and if you don't like this video, please click that dislike button and tell me why in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.